Hi, my name's Megan. In regards to our discussion question, in my current role, I've experienced or encountered people with mental health issues or mental health conditions. I'm a crisis advocate. I can't really disclose all the roles that I do due to client safety, but I mainly work in domestic violence, and I also do hotline work. But we currently have one client who we believe has a mental health condition. She's talking to herself and doing these role plays that kind of lead us to believe that mental health is also an issue. But in my current line of work, we don't offer mental health services with our agency. We're just there to serve people who've experienced sexual assault, domestic violence, other issues of violence. This could be due to human trafficking or other types of abuse. But when we have clients like this, we can make notation that there is a mental health issue, but we can't really provide them services for it. My beliefs about mental health diagnosis is that they are useful, but they can also be very devastating to the one receiving diagnosis. I also run a support group through NAMI, the National Alliance for Mental Illness, where we talk a lot about our diagnoses, how people receive them, how people change how they view and see themselves. But sometimes it's necessary to get the services that you need because you have a proper diagnosis. Currently, I do not make any diagnoses. I'm not qualified to do that. I've read the DSM-5. I have access to that at one of my jobs, and I'm familiar with the layout of it. So I'm pretty excited on this class to be able to use it and be more familiar with the diagnosing process, since I more specifically work with those in mental health and other types of women's issues. And I look forward to getting to know everybody, and thank you for your time.